I would like to talk about importance of English.
Hmm.
So today I am here to tell you that few lines of English, important of English in our life. So English is the very most useful language in our country. So many people speak English in different countries in different way. So it is a very useful subject. It helps to it is a part of our life, like schools or working places for travel. It is very useful. So English also play big role in education. See, there are so many books and they are written in English. There are so many colleges, schools nowadays they will teach in English. And um, we can understand English. If we can understand English, we can read, we can we can travel, and
Okay.
we can.
First, I would like to ask you, ma'am. Tell me why English is very important for you. Okay, why English is important for you? Why are you learning English?
Okay, sir.
Yes, tell me answer.
I will give an example also. It is also important for business. Many companies they used to talk to people from different countries. If we can speak English, we can we can done we can work in more places
We
and
can
connect with different country peoples.
we can do anything. We can go anywhere. We can talk to anybody. We can connect with anyone, and we can actually communicate with anyone, and we can actually connect with any person from any country. That is why English is very important. Like this, just so you relax and you go. You relax and you go, ma'am. Relax. You speak now. Okay, just a few lines. And one more question I asked you, you couldn't answer. You tell me why English is very important for you and why are you learning English? You explain the reason, the purpose you are learning English. You need to tell. Yes.
I had given an example. I
Okay.
will tell you.
Your personal example. For example, you came here. You are learning. You are trying to improve your English language. Why do you want to improve your English? Why do you want to learn English? What is the purpose? In future, you want to become a teacher?
No, sir. I want to learn English because of higher education,
Yeah. Yes.
and I want to get a job opportunity.
Okay. Okay.
Before I went to some colleges, they said you speak in English,
Mm-hmm.
you speak in Kannada, you explain Kannada is very well, but you try to speak in English.
Okay, so in which something you make it story and tell. Why did you go to the college and how was your experience? How did you feel when people just said like this? You make it story and tell. Okay, once I went to college and I attended interview, and it was my first interview when I just started talking in Kannada, and interviewer asked me to talk in English, but I was not able to speak English. Something you make story and tell. Yes, a few lines.
Uh, before before my PUC completed,
Hmm.
I did job
Before
in,
my PUC completed, not after completing PUC.
after completed my PUC, I did job in Raichur.
Okay.
So now I want to do in Gulbarga.
Okay.
So there are they said you have to complete degree B.Ed. They asked. That's why I decided to. Now I am pursuing BSc.
Okay.
After that higher education like BSc, B.Ed, they will ask English because I am a science student. I want to learn English.
Yes.
Because I will speak for English in for students. And I also learn English because I want to travel different countries.
Okay.
That's why I want to learn English.
Very nice. You want to share something?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Fantastic.